In this video, I will show you how to create a Skillshare affiliate account. To do this, just go to Skillshare.com, and it doesn't matter if you are signed in or not. Now, I am signed in, but if you're not signed in, the steps are the same. Just scroll to the bottom of Skillshare.com, and under company, you can see affiliate program. Simply go and click affiliate program, and that will redirect you to their affiliate page. And as you can see, you can earn 40% commission, which is up to $67 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. So to create your affiliate account, simply click join for free, and then it will redirect you to their affiliate account creation page. And their affiliate program is hosted in Impact, which is a network with affiliate programs. From here, just click sign up. Then you will get the contract terms, so you can see how much you will earn and basically all of the terms. So you can read through this, and if you agree, then click accept. Then from here you can go and sign up to Impact, but I already have an account, so I'll just sign in. And then from there you can review the Skillshare insertion order, so just read through it again if you want. And then you can click I approve the contract and want to continue. And now I have successfully applied, but the reason that it is so fast for me is because I already had an account. For you, you may need to enter some details about how you are going to promote it and stuff like that. But you can see here in my notifications that now my application to join Skillshare was sent. And now they are going to review it. And if they agree with how I will promote it and stuff like that, then they will accept it. And then I can go to brands and my brands right there to find the affiliate program. And then from there you can then click on it once it is accepted. For example, I'll click this one. And from there you can then click create link. And then click create right there. And then you will get your custom link. So that's how to create a Skillshare affiliate account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.